Hi guys, welcome back to All Things Wholesome. This is a channel where we discuss all things that teaches about money skills. In today's video, I am going to be going through my personal experience. As we all know that I'm currently unemployed. I had to make a decision to downgrade my life and not add on any unnecessary expenses, but I needed to subtract some of the expenses that I have. So this video is all about that. You are going to get to see which expenses I'm letting go and which expenses I'm moving forward with. So with that said, let's get straight to the video. So what I'm going to do right now is to refer to the laptop. The laptop has my budget. There's a spreadsheet that I use for my budget. So it is opened right now. So I'm going to be using this spreadsheet. On the spreadsheet, there's a date, which is January. This is my budget for January 2026. And there's an income column. So if I had an income, I was going to put it here. And I have my expenses. So I split my expenses into two. There are needs and wants. And then we have here expenses that are highlighted in red. Those are the expenses that I've chose to let go. We're going to start with car installment. As you can see, it's on red, and the reason behind that is that I've paid off my car, so I don't currently have any debts, and that is a great feeling. And then we have car insurance. So I still have my car insurance, but what I did is that I called the car insurance company and I downgraded my policy. So I'm covered for less things now, just because I don't have an income, so I needed to just downgrade so that I pay less premiums. So yeah, that's all I can say for car insurance. I still have that expense. Service plan, and this is for service for my car. So this is not highlighted because I still have to save for the service for the car, so I still need to decide how much I need to save each month until the day the car goes to service. And then we come to car track. I had a tracking device on my car, and now I don't have it. I canceled that contract. Rent, I'm not paying any rent because I'm at home, thank God for that. And we come to the funeral cover. I'm still paying for my funeral cover because this is life. And then retirement planning. So under retirement planning, I have a retirement annuity and I'm still contributing. That is one of the most important things for me, is to retire comfortably, whether I have a job or not. This expense is always going to be open. I'm not gonna stop contributing towards my retirement annuity. So yeah, this is still open. And then water bill, I'm not paying any water bill, but here is just because I buy water, I buy drinking water, so that's why I have that. And then electricity, my mom's taking care of that. Groceries, my mom's taking care of that. Guys, I'm so grateful for this because I know a lot of people, they're like are not very blessed like me, so I don't take this for granted. The next expense is fuel. I still need to move around my car, so I just need to fill it up. Luckily my car is fuel efficient. If I can just put 500, it can last me for the whole month, as long as like I'm not traveling long distances, moving around here, around going to the shops, buying groceries and all that. 500 can last me the whole month. So thank God for that. My car understands the mission. And then I have mom and dad. So obviously you give your parents money when you are working. So currently I'm not working. That's why it's on red. You have data. The reason why I still have data is because it's a contract, and I just took it early this year. I took it late last year, like 2025 late. I'm not sure of the time, but yeah. So that's the only reason why I still have it. And I have toiletries. So obviously I need toiletries, medical aid. So what happened to medical aid is that I'm still going to pay for this coming 2 months, I think. And then they are going to remove me. So I put it on red because I'm basically stopping contributing towards medical aid. And then we have cloud storage. I'm still contributing towards that because I need my space for the videos and all other things. And then I have emergency. Well, I have an amount that I have just for emergencies, you know. And then credits, I don't have any credits, so obviously it's on red. Bank charges, I do have bank charges because I'm using banks. Then we come to my savings. So we have long-term savings. I'm not saving anything, so that's why it's on red. Was a December money saving challenge. I'm not doing that. But we'll see. Here, we'll see about the money challenge. Hey, let me not cancel it like completely. So, was it December? Okay, let's not call it was it December, but a money saving challenge I might do. I'm still gonna decide. And then we have car savings. So anything that is relating to a car, because I need to change tires. You know, a car is like a child, so I still have to do all of those things. So I need to save something for the car. And family contributions. So we used to contribute as a family, so I'm no longer contributing because I'm not working. Maybe short term for a trip or anything. I'm not going on any trips because, you know, I don't have an income, so I have no business going to trips and to vacations or anything like that. Then we come to investments. Investments, I have easy equities because that's where my tax-free savings account is at, and I need to contribute towards that. I need to max it out this year. I don't have an income. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but I need to. I didn't put it on red because that needs to happen. So here we have EXA. So this is the Engineering Council of South Africa. So it's a body that regulates engineering professions. So you have to pay a certain amount to this body, and I used to save every month until the until I get what is this, an invoice. Then I pay them. But then this time I'm not working, so I'm not gonna pay them. I'm sorry. So here we have RE5 course. So I have RE5. I guess I left that there just in case I want to do any course. You know, I left it. I didn't put it under red because if I want to invest on my studies, I can do that. If I want to do a course or anything, um, I should take money and do that because that's very important. It's like investing in myself. I cannot just stop that. And then finally, we come to my wants, which is entertainment. And then under entertainment, we have clothing. I'm not going to buy myself any clothes. I'm not going to go to any restaurants. I can buy takeaways. I can go out only if I planned, and airtime here and there. I don't use airtime much, but there are those important calls that I need to make, and I need to buy airtime, and it's not that much. Gifts, I need to buy gifts. So now that I'm at home, I don't have to buy any house appliances. Giving, I'm not contributing to anyone this year or until I find a job. So this is actually red because I'm not helping anyone financially. I can just help by advising. If people need advice, yeah, I can do that. But financially, I can't. I still need to help myself first. Subscriptions I've put on red because I decided to, I have subscriptions for editing the videos and all that. So I decided to alternate like that. This month I pay, the other month I don't pay. So yeah, that's how I plan on doing this. Because only the subscriptions that I have are really for content, and yeah, that's how much I love making these videos. I sacrifice. You know, I can just stop paying subscriptions and save that money, but I have a mission. Have a mission, and yeah. And then we come to alcohol. I don't really drink that much. Even when I was working, I would buy alcohol, not that much. I don't like buying alcohol with my money. Like, so yeah, I stop. I put it as an expense because I take it that serious. Then withdrawals. If I need cash, I can withdraw so that facials. Um, I've been struggling with my skin, so I used to go do facials and all that. But now that I'm not working, that has to stop. My skin has just needs to behave. And then gym, I don't have money for gym. I can just exercise here at home. Um, I don't have to go to the gym. So car maintenance, I had a disc. Oh, so it's the car disc. I also save for this, so I can put it on red. Home Wi-Fi, yeah, I pay for Wi-Fi because I use it, and have toll gates because I used to travel from Limpopo to Gauteng, and I would use toll gates. So since I'm no longer traveling from and to Limpopo, then those it's the toll gates, like I don't have to pay anything, I don't have to save anything. And then lastly, it's money for me. um, I don't have to spoil myself. This is not the time to spoil myself, honestly. I just need to make sure that I get a job as soon as possible, or I do something to earn an income. Then I can go back to spoiling myself or going out or anything of that nature. So, downgrading, guys, downgrading your lifestyle is not shameful. It is something that is intentional, and I made this video just to show you that I'm not afraid to downgrade my lifestyle. I'm not afraid to stop doing certain things until I am able to. So I hope this encourages you at home to also do the same for yourself. If you feel like you need to get rid of some of the expenses that do not serve you at the moment, or you're just unemployed as I am. Do that for yourself. Hey, it's not even shameful. It's not a disgrace. It's something that you should do intentionally to get your life back into order. And after you've gotten a job, or after you've achieved your financial goals, then you can go back to spoiling yourself or doing other things that you feel are necessary. So, with that said, thank you for allowing me in your space and lending me your ear. Always remember that I love you. Have a lovely, productive day. I didn't even remind you to subscribe to the channel. Comment down below on your current financial situation. And please share this content with a loved one, a friend, or anyone you think might appreciate this kind of content. Thank you again for watching. See you on my next video.